Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I have a surprise for you. We are going to do a tri-color pasta salad. Some people refer to it as a pepperoni and pizza pasta. So you can pretty much use any type of ingredients you want in this tri-color. Today we are going to use Italian dressing. We'll have some pepper, and you can use the peppercorn or you can use regular pepper. It's your preference. We have some tomatoes. We're going to use a little bit of the ranch dressing, cucumbers, broccoli, Parmesan cheese, extra sharp cheddar cheese, bacon bits, and these are real bacon bits. We have our pepperoni. No, this is my hard salami. Sorry, getting it mixed up. This is my hard salami, and this is my pepperoni, and that's the ham. And you can also use turkey. So those are our ingredients that we're going to be using. I'm going to get a mixing bowl, and we're going to get this party started. Okay, so what I like to do is blend everything together, add the dressing, and then I'm going to mix it in with the noodles, the tri-color. So, and I don't really have a measurement, you guys. You can use as much or less of these ingredients as you like. We just want it to be a nice color when it's done, okay? So, we'll start with some broccoli here. Cucumbers. And if we don't use all that, I'll use it for a salad. Tomatoes. The cheese. I'm going to use both cheeses in here right now. I'm going to use all the meat that I have here for sure. Yum, yum. I know what I can pick out. And you want these like dice sizes, okay? Bite sizes for everything, you guys. Even for the cheese. You don't want it huge. See that? Bite sizes. And our bacon bits. This is going to be delicious. This can be made any day of the week, you guys. Good to take to a potluck. Good for a summer salad, picnic. I like pepper, you know I do, so I'm adding my pepper to this. Now, shake this. I still have a little bit left here. And I do this first because I want the salad dressing to get into all of the ingredients before I actually blend it with the tri-color. Now we're actually going to need more Italian dressing than we will the ranch dressing. I just think the ranch dressing kicks it up a notch. Okay, if I can get this open. Maybe not. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. May need some assistance. Give me 1 second. Had to take the lid off. Okay. You guys, it's going through it today. I don't know what the situation is. So nothing's working in my favor right now. Yes, it is. I'm just joking. Everything's working for the good. All right. Got that done. Shake this up. Get all those seasonings. Whoops. All right. We don't want to overpower it. Let me clean that mess up. Yeah, I know I like a clean area as I'm cooking, so, or preparing dishes. I'm also making meatballs in my crock pot. If you haven't seen that video, I will definitely do an upload for you. Just gonna mix this in. We definitely will need more Italian dressing in here. Look at that, you guys. Is that a salad by itself right now or not? Oh my. Oh, I think I could eat this just like this without the noodles. Keto. Keto. This will put you back in ketosis if you're on the keto plan. Okay, we're going to need some more of the Italian dressing here. I hope everyone is having a great day. It's been pouring down, cats and dogs outside. But I was inside getting my nails done when it started pouring down rain, and so many people had their windows open that was in the parking lot. Oh my God. And then when it was time for me to leave, it had stopped, you know, temporarily. But by the time it was time for me to leave, y'all, it was pouring down rain, like going 25 miles per hour. I really couldn't see in front of me. But the good thing is I didn't have to get wet because my nail tech walked me to my car with his umbrella. Bless his heart. I felt so special. Okay, so we got a good mix in here, you guys. I want you to see it. It's not watery, okay? See, it's a whole lot of juice at the bottom. You just want to coat the vegetables and the meat in here. Now, I boiled these, drained them, rinsed them cold water, and I just drained the cold water on them, off of them, so they wouldn't be sticky. So, what we're going to do is add some ranch dressing before we blend this together. Now, make it a bigger dish, you guys. This is looking kind of, I'm going to have some issues probably mixing this up together. I may have issues, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, Jesus, give me some strength. There we go, thank you. Asking you shall receive. Seeking you shall find. Knock and the door will be open. All right, so, not that I really had to shake that up, but, you know, probably just happy, y'all. Come on. Oh, Lordy. All right, thank you, Jesus. All right, let's give that a squirt. I don't think it's like a quarter cup, y'all. Very, very light. Just very, very light. All right, that's a good mixture in there. Because remember, once you mix it with the noodles, it is definitely going to be fine. See? Okay. Let me grab a bigger dish. I don't think, you know what? I think this probably will work, you guys. What I'm going to do is let me add some dressing to this to get this a kickstart, if you will. Let me put that there, put this here so you can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm sorry if the lighting is off, you guys. That's probably bad. I'm try to back it up like that. Maybe I can see a little bit better. I'm just gonna scoop this out of this container here, and I'm gonna blend it in this one. And I think we'll have a better consistency. And then, like I said, you may want to add some more meat. You may want to add some olives, green olives, black olives. You can add anything to this pasta salad as you like. It's yours. Make it the way you want to make it. I'm just giving you a suggestion, a kickstart on some ideals that you may want to put inside of your pasta salad. Thanks to my sister, she taught me how to do this. Bless her heart. Thank you, Kathy. Love you. I know she's watching this video. So this is blending in pretty well, you guys. It looks like it has just the right amount of dressing in here so far. And we have not used everything in the bowl yet. I just want to give you a quick look at it. Put the rest of this in here. That's it. I'll probably add some more cucumbers and meat in here. Maybe some more tomatoes once I get finished. And you can also use shredded cheese if you don't want to use the block cheese. Like I said, it's up to you. I just think the block cheese makes it stand out more. Get that off of there. So yeah, I know I'm making a mess. We're just going to blend this very, very well. I'm going to give it a taste and see if you need any more seasonings to it. I think I have the ample enough meat in here and broccoli and celery. Yeah, I think I'm gonna put this in a different bowl, you guys. I'm gonna add some more tomatoes in here. Okay, it looks like it needs some more tomatoes just to give it some more color. Yeah, there it comes. Yeah, oops, I'm a mess. Okay, so just gonna keep on mixing this up until I get the consistency, and then I'm gonna transfer it over to another dish, and I'll be right back so you can sample it and you can actually see the finished product. Well, this is the finished product. I did transfer it to a 9x12 dish. Look at that, you guys. Does that not look good? You can see the Italian dressing in there. It's just enough moisture to let it coat everything together. And if you want to add additional meat, you want to add olives, you can do so. I think this is going to be good. Now tomorrow morning I may add some more meat. I'm gonna get up in the morning and taste it before I serve it, but let it chill overnight so all those ingredients can marinate together. Y'all ready to sample? Let's get a piece right here. How about right here? This good? Got some broccoli? Tomato? I hear somebody saying tomato. Y'all want some tomatoes? Hold on. Okay, so you got the celery in there. That looks good. Okay, let me sample it for you. This is good, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you ever tried this before or if you will try it. And if you've made it before, let me know if you used it like for a potluck, for a salad in the summer, just for an appetizer. Let me know how you use it. Please like my video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you will be notified on my next upload. I thank you again for watching. I will post the links to everything I'll be cooking for the 4th of July below because I'll be having multiple videos so you will know which one you want to look at. Hopefully you look at all of them. So until I see you again, God bless you and happy 4th of July.